In this video, I will show you how to remove access from Google Drive. So you might want to do this if, for example, you shared a Google Drive file or folder with someone and you now want to stop them from viewing, editing or accessing it. Whatever the reason, I'll show you how to do this step by step. And before we do get started, make sure to leave a like on the video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more quick Google Drive and simple tech guides. Now to do this, what you want to do is come across to your Google Drive, and as you can see, all your files are going to show up. So from here, you want to find the file that you want to remove access from. In this example, I'll be using this PDF here, but you can do this for any files on Google Drive. Now, what you want to do is come to the right-hand side of the file, and if you click onto the three dots where it says More Actions, and on this menu that comes up, you want to hover over Share. In the submenu, click onto Share, and what that's going to do is open a window like this. So you can see I've currently got one person with access, and their permissions are set to be editor. To remove this person and stop them getting access, all you need to do is click onto the arrow here, and on this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option to remove access. Give that a click. As you can see, it says remove, and then make sure to come down and click the save button to confirm your changes. So as you can see, it says access updated in the bottom left hand corner, and if I now come back onto the share window, you will see that it's only myself that has access. You can also change the general access as well down here to restricted to stop people accessing your Google Drive files and folders. So that's how to remove access from Google Drive. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.